Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay quarterly road tax online. First, gather your vehicle registration number, your payment details, and any relevant identification. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection to complete the transaction smoothly. It's also crucial to confirm your vehicle's tax due date to ensure timely payment and avoid any late fees. This preparation will make the online process much quicker and stress-free. Next, navigate to the official government website designated for road tax payments. Look for the specific section that handles quarterly or periodic tax payments, as this will streamline your process. Carefully enter your vehicle's registration number into the required field. Double-check for any typos to ensure you are paying for the correct vehicle and avoid potential issues with your payment. Once your vehicle details are confirmed, proceed to select your preferred payment method. Most online portals accept major debit or credit cards, offering a convenient way to complete the transaction. Before finalizing, carefully review all the payment details, including the amount and vehicle information, to prevent errors. After successful payment, remember to save or print your confirmation receipt for your personal records. After your payment is processed, you will typically receive a digital tax disc or a payment confirmation via email. It's important to keep this confirmation safe, either digitally or as a printout, for any future reference or inquiries. This ensures you have proof of payment readily available. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. For great deals, including the Owala water bottle, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.